welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Masraf AI Rayan cannot log in. For that, the first thing that you can try and do is head over to your quick settings, switch between your Wi-Fi and mobile data. You can also try toggling airplane mode on and off on your device. The other thing that you can do is head over to your recent apps, force close the app and reopen it on your device. If the issue still persists, simply head over to your quick settings, head over to settings on your device, tap on apps, tap on all apps, and then search for the Masraf app inside of your search bar. Tap on the Masraf app, hit storage and cache, clear the cache of your Masraf app. If the issue still persists, simply head over to Play Store on your device, head over to the search bar, and then search for the Masraf app inside of the search bar. Hit update to update it to the latest version. If the issue still persists, simply head over to your app drawer, search for the Masraf app, long press on the Masraf AI app on your device, and then hit uninstall to uninstall it on your device and reinstall it from the Play Store. If the issue still persists, try logging in through the web browser, and if that does not work, then you may have to contact support for further assistance. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.